going on, beautiful people, and welcome back to Piece of Happiness 101. And today we have another phenomenal video for you guys.
When I first met William, he was making his way into the music industry, and I fell in love with his ambition.
She was dope. I liked the style, I liked the energy.
After 6 years, I thought his friends became my friends. I'm here today to tell you that you don't run my life. You can't tell me who I can hang out with.
When you step over into my lane or my entertainment field and you create drama, I gotta deal with the consequences.
Okay. Off the back, somebody is very defensive, and I do not ever like anybody who start a conversation with self-defense. I understand if the person is actually too controlling, but whenever somebody start, you don't run my life, I think after 6 years your friends become my friends. No, this is not. No, my friends or not your friends. You could actually talk to them while we're around, but they're not your friend. They'll never need to be your friend. And I don't want to be friends with your friends. Like, what? Let's just carry on, because this already sounds messy. So let's see.
I thought that when we got together as a couple, your people would become my people as well.
I didn't see a purpose for you to be around that rap scene. Do you think Kim Kardashian is out hanging around with Kanye's friends?
I can't with you.
Welcome to show business.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to still conduct yourself in a manner that doesn't damage my career.
What did I do? Well, that was so terrible.
Everybody's talking about your sexual escapades.
Sexual escapades, okay.
Yeah, there can't be this many people smiling in my face and they did some underhanded crap behind my back.
There's always people that are doing underhanded stuff.
Right, so you're gonna go hang out with guys. If the only other person there that can say you didn't have sex with this person is Jesus, then expect that man to lie about it.
But you should know me better to judge, like, hey, that's not something Lana would do.
I never thought that you were out cheating, but you're making me look dumb and people are talking about it.
That lack of trust and you pointing the finger saying, you can't hang out with this person, that just ticks me off.
You put yourself in a setting. You don't know the host of this party. You don't know who else is at the venue. I do. I've known these people way longer than you, and they have grudges. So what's the only way of hurting me?
Getting to me.
Exactly. These people have malicious intentions toward me.
Okay, yeah, she for the streets, man. There's no simping on that. She's for the streets. Like, I'm good. Like, that's the reality. It's like she wants to be with you, not to be with you, but she wants to also enjoy the perks that you're offering by being with you. That's basically what I'm vibing with right now. And it's not like I'm talking bad about any woman. It's just that right now, you don't want to be controlled by a guy who's telling you not to do things that are affecting his career and not to hang out with people that he's probably known in the industry for the longest, which I'm going to assume is known and probably had problems with, but you still find yourself getting in that settings, and that's affecting his business as a whole. I'm sensing that I don't think she's going to stay or even want to be with him to begin with. I don't know. We'll see.
All you have to do is pick up the phone and call me.
If there's an argument between us, you'll take it upon yourself to turn your phone off or go ghost on me. And me not being able to talk to you, I worry about you. It seems like I'm being insecure or pushy, and I'm not trying to tell you who you can and can't hang out with, per se. I'm saying this particular guy or this particular girl is bad, and they're using you as a tool to get me.
Well, I wish you would have explained this how you're explaining it now when we were in a relationship, because it's a lot clearer, but you can't control what happens to me.
I mean, I just worry about your safety.
Okay.
And I'm sorry.
Oh, God.
I trust you and I love you. We had terrible communication, but I wanted to work. I wanted things to work. It's really hard for me to look at life without you. I just want to know if there's anywhere we could start again and try to work towards something.
Okay, I'm confused. Who's supposed to be saying sorry in this? I'm okay with somebody saying sorry when they are really wrong, but why is the guy saying sorry and but she keeps saying that you can control who I choose to hang out with, and I'm like, the guy is telling you that it's not like he doesn't want you to hang out wherever you want to hang out with. If by you hanging out with some people gonna affect him in a deeper level, you also need to listen. But this guy is out here saying, never mind.
I just wanted us to have the ideal relationship, and you could never give me that. You know that I have love for you, but you're selfish, and we don't belong together. So, no, I can't be in a relationship with you.
I'm telling you, man. From the get-go, I already said it. She is for the streets. This dude has nothing to do with her, bro. Don't even entertain that. Let her go. Let her go. Like, she said she wanted to have the ideal relationship, but she can never see that with him. Like, this is it, bro. Like, it's gone. It's gone because she wants the perks of you being wherever you are, but she doesn't want to deal with the individual. That's what's going on right here. It's basically similar to gold digging. Yeah, that's what it is. It's like she wants to be with you because of the things that you can provide, but she doesn't want the whole you, like the person that comes with the extra things. She doesn't want all that. So yeah, my advice is just walk off, man. Walk away. Just walk away. Don't even entertain that. Yeah, because you out here saying sorry for the wrong reasons already. There's no need for you to keep talking about this or trying to fix a relationship with somebody with that mindset. This ain't gonna work. You're gonna keep hurting yourself. She's gonna keep doing what she wants to do. She's gonna accuse you of being too controlling, and then you're gonna find yourself being the most miserable person on earth. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video to the fullest. If I've missed something in the process, feel free to let me know in the comments below. For those of you who've been with us from the get-go, guys, I really appreciate everything that you do to support the channel. If you happen to be new around, feel free to look into our catalog. If you happen to find something that you like, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.